Hey guys, today I'm going to make a fried egg in this wonderful FogDream pan which we have here. It's a beautiful honeycomb hybrid 3-ply construction with a non-stick coating underneath, but of course we have also this elevated stainless steel pattern here which protects the non-stick areas, and so like that of course it's not 100% non-stick right from the beginning. We have to do a little bit of pre-seasoning. This is exactly the same thing as when we are using the very famous HexClad pans. There's pretty much no difference. And here you can see also underneath the exact same beautiful pattern. And because of this advanced construction, we can use it pretty much on every cooking surface, no matter if it's normal electric, ceramic, gas, induction, whatsoever. And so we do either a pre-seasoning at the beginning, or we are just using plenty of oil at the beginning. Of course, over time you can reduce the amount of oil heavily. Of course, you want to have some decent heat, but do not overheat. And when we check the temperature distribution, we can see it's nice and even. And so let's put the egg here. Yeah, it starts cooking pretty fast. And now it's absolutely awesome. I can even use some metal spatula here. You can see when I scratch here, you can hear that I'm just touching the stainless steel, and so I'm absolutely not scratching the non-stick surface. There's really not a lot of oil here inside, but you can see I can really easily already lift this up. And I mean, that was just my first attempt. You can see, can nicely move this around here. And so I can cook and season it right at the first time. Leave it here for a little bit more, but you can see absolutely amazing. And here even a little bit closer, you can see there's no way I can scratch this absolutely awesome pan even with this metal spatula. So we have a great combination of non-stick and great protection on top here. I'm usually not flipping the egg, but I just do it here for you so you can see that it really works nicely. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, I would say full success already at the first time. And by the way, of course, like that, it's also super easy to clean, absolutely no problem. It's a beautiful pan, absolutely solid build with a massive handle. It was easy to assemble in just 2 minutes. Comes with very solid screws on the side, and also this beautiful transparent lid with this fog hole here. An awesome thing. Sits also perfectly flat here on the cooking top, also very important. And of course also very important to know that this pan doesn't have any unwanted coating like PFOA, PFAS and all these things which we really want to avoid, so we can really enjoy what we are cooking here. Full recommendation from my side for this FogDream non-stick hybrid pan. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this pan, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.